Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'd like to show you this LED 600 lights. So I'll be showing you everything I know about this and what you're meant to look out for before getting this lights. Before we're hearing buy ring light, buy ring light, buy ring light. Now it's no longer ring light, it's LED light. So now they're telling us to go and buy LED. If you're a content creator, go and buy your LED light and buy a LED light. I hope after this LED light there's no other one coming up. Okay, now there's even another one, focus light. So if you just went to the market to get this and you don't know how to use it, because before I got this I had to like go around to look for videos on how to use it. I was like, people are not saying like exactly what I want to hear on how to use it. So I did some of the research myself by experimenting on it, tell the mistakes I made and all of that. So how to use this: when you get your lights, it's going to look like this. Your LED 600. If at any time one of the following year, you can read that later. So just opening it, I've opened this before, so I just want to show you what it will look like inside. Inside over here, you're going to see this. This is our adapter. These are the batteries. These are the battery. Looks like it's small. This is 2400 mAh. I think this is an attachment for the LED light itself. This is what you attach to the stand, and then this is the adapter which you use to charge your LED lights. In case of you don't want to use the batteries, your batteries are low, or you don't have time to charge your batteries, you have normal lights like the power supply, then you just put this on your extension, your socket on your extension, and power your LED light. It's as simple as that. So the good thing about this LED light is that, unlike ring lights, the good thing is that you don't always need to wait for lights. Like now there is no light and I don't need to wait for lights. Like, you're waiting for NEPA, you're begging PHCN to bring lights. So you cannot do that. As content creators, you always need your light. So this is what the LED lights looks like. Like, everybody that shows this video does not like this. So let's do this. It's like the size of our palm, but I don't know, I feel like it's bigger than my palm. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's not that small, but it could be small, but the effect is actually mighty. This is what my stand looks like. Okay, in the market I did not get the regular stand. I had to opt for a different LED light stand. Like, look at what it looks like. The regular stand is like kind of fragile compared to this. Okay, then I got this one for I got this stand for 10,000 naira. I don't know if it's cheap, I don't know if it's, just tell me what you think. But I got this stand for 10,000 naira. So I'm just opening it. So you open your stand and you fix it. I think this one is firmer than the regular one I had. That's what I'm using to film this video. So I had this one, and like this part of it, I don't know, it just breaks. This part, it just bends. It's like, see, this one is even better. I think it's still even kind of same, but it's better than the one I had. The one I had, I can just, my hand said it can bend it. So I got this. You make sure you tighten your knob so that's like holder for this LED light. So you're going to fix this over here. You look for this opening part to enter this small part, and you screw it tight. Make sure it's tight. Okay, then these are LED lights. Let me close it. These are LED lights. There's an opening over here, like under it here. There's an opening here, and you're going to screw it to this place too. Please make sure it's very tight, though. It's firm. Make sure it's firm before you let it go, because we are not playing here. We got this with money. So this is what our LED lights looks like. I don't know, other people, I think some people bought theirs with a shining part here, but mine is like this. I don't know why. This is what I got. At the back, like this place, this knob is to control the level of lights. You want the intensity of your light. Why this is for the different colors of your light. Just like this LED 600, it says that we have 600 bulbs. So if you look at this, I don't know how to explain, but they say this is up to 600 bulbs. Some bulbs are for white, while some are for like warm color. So everything is not like shining white. Some also shine warm. I have an adapter. So this is the adapter. This is what the adapter looks like. Mine, this is mine. You just fix it on your extension, your socket, or wherever, and it has this now too. This is what you're going to attach to this port here, this place. You attach it here, and then you're after fixing this here, you don't need to put in your batteries. It's going to look like this. Do you get? You leave these two places open. it should be blank, nothing should be inside here. Don't fix your batteries together with your adapter. Don't try it, don't even try it at all. Based on what people said, it's very bad, it can be dangerous, it could explode or whatever, or it will even kill your battery. So don't try it, don't put your battery together with this. When you're fixing the battery, you fix only the battery. When you're fixing this, you fix only this. Do you get? The which is in the middle? I've left it in the middle. It's neither here nor here, it's in the middle. So I'm removing this and I want to show you how the battery works with it. So for the battery, this is what my battery looks like. I think I've showed this. It has 2400 mAh, 2400 mAh, the both batteries. There was something somebody said on this internet. I would have loved to refer back to him. If I find his channel, I'm going to refer back to him. There's something he mentioned on this. He mentioned that you could get a bigger battery, that this battery doesn't last for the whole day. It's maybe, he said that it can last like maybe 45 minutes or 1 hour, something like that, but it doesn't last the whole day. So when purchasing this, you could go ahead and ask for a bigger battery. Make sure you're asking for a bigger battery than this. You could go for, he mentioned 4400 mAh. He also mentioned 4400 mAh. He mentioned 6000 and thereabouts. But when I went back to checking the markets for this, I went back to ask them, please, can I change my batteries? They're like, no, there are different set of people that sells the battery. They don't sell batteries, they sell just this, and this is the battery that comes with it. So if you want to opt for a bigger battery, you want to go for a bigger battery, just get your money ready and get a bigger battery. And I was like, okay, I thought you could just maybe like swap it and I'll get a bigger battery, but no, you have to buy a bigger battery, so no problem. But personally, I've not used it for that long. I've not used mine for a whole day. I don't know why I'll be shooting for a whole day. Again, like I have things to do in between, so I've not used it for long and see it like going off. I've charged it. This is full, this is full. I'm also going to show you how to charge your batteries. Then now let's fix these batteries into this. Okay, if you look at your battery, you see this two opening here, and then you see these two parts here. Okay, looking at the battery, you see these two parts here. These two openings will go into these two parts here, just like in the middle and around here. You hear the sound? Yes. I don't know if you hear this, but it shows that it's already like fitted. It can no longer come out from it. You do the same here. These two opening to these two parts. So I hope you hear the sound. Let me see if it's going to. So that's the sound. And this is what we have. We're just going to be like, make sure it's firm. It should not disturb. So if you want to put it on, you switch this double part and your light automatically comes on. Okay, I told you that this is for the level of the brightness of your light, and then this is to change the color. And you have color, you have dim or bright, so it's like to change the color of the light. This is the battery check. Got it? This is the battery check. This is to show you how full or how low your, on yours there's like green light showing on it, so you count the line. If maybe this is like showing like only 3 bar remaining or stuff like that, do you get? So this is what it looks like. So now please switch off the power button before inserting or removing. So make sure you switch it off before you remove, and you switch it off before you insert, just like we did. So now let me show you what it looks like. This is what like looks like. It's very bright. It might not show very much. The sun is also reflecting on it. That's why it's not going to show you the intensity. And here it's not dark. See it, you have white color. And then this is when the two bulbs are on, or you could go for just one of the bulb, which is the warm color. And then for the intensity of this is the lowest. This level is in the lowest, so let me increase it. This is the highest shirt. So this is absolutely too much on the person's face. Or I don't know, I've not even used it to that point. Just like this is enough for me, if you ask me. But that's what the highest looks like. I had to turn the camera so that you see it. So, you know, if it's facing here, you might not really get it. So that's what it looks like. This holder here is to help you. Maybe you want to like rotate it down. You don't want it like to be directly on your face. You can just put it anyhow and lock it back. The knob, there's a knob over here. I'm just opening it or rotating it. Then you could take it higher. Maybe you are filming and you don't want it like direct, you don't want the harsh light directly on your face. It will even go higher than this. Actually, everything, it will go higher than this. This is how high the LED light is. So from here to here, I don't know if it's doing so much justice, but it would go even very much above this. So let me bring it down back. Yeah. I also got a phone holder, like for tripod stand or any of the stand. Like maybe you are shooting and you don't have like two stand. I got this. I've forgotten how much I got it for. Maybe I'll tell in my next video. But I got this. It's just like attached to is to attach to these parts of your of the stand. You leave it open, you attach it over here, make sure it's tight again, and you could place your phone here, or you could turn it, place your phone here. Do you get? So your face, like, is going to be showing your face when you're filming. That's just, so your phone is going to be here. You could be filming a food or whatever under, and then your light is also reflecting them. So you're just making the work easier for you. You're just trying to see every single thing about this LED light in a whole video. So this was not part of the package. When I got this, it was not part of it. So if you are going for this LED light, don't forget, also try to get this on its own. Get this. Remove it. When you want to remove it, you just click on this, press this button here. It's going to pull out, and then you do the same here, press this button, and it's out. You don't need to struggle. So it's better you have the knowledge now, which I'm sharing with you. Click on this button and just easily take your batteries off. To charge the batteries, you're going to bring, this is the charger, this is the battery charger. You take it out and place this your battery same way we did it the last time. The two holes over here, you fix it into this and you leave it that way. You hear the same sound again, and you see a light, green light is going to be appearing on this part of it. Once you show it, then it's ready to be charged. Once you put this on lights on power, it's going to turn red, and once it's fully charged, it will go back to green. So because we don't have light, I'm not showing that into detail. So you charge the different batteries at different times. Okay, you charge this till this is full, you charge this till this is full, and you must use the two batteries together. I hope I've done justice, like real justice, to every single thing pertaining this LED 600. So far so good. I believe the same way you fix your LED 600, the same way you're going to fix your LED 800 or your LED 660. I believe that the bigger the numbers is just because of maybe how bright, or maybe it lasts longer, or how maybe big the battery is, or it would be. Do you understand? So I believe it's a good light. It lasts on. Just that the brightness is too much on your face. So if you have a diffuser, like, you could cover the lights to maybe make the lights warmer instead of harsh. I'm going to show you, like, I don't know if I have the video, but the light was too much on my face. Like, I did not know I had that eye problem before, but I knew I had that problem when I got this light. So it's like too bright. So when you're shooting your videos, keep it far away from your face. The light heats up, so I prefer you keep it on the low intensity. Like, it should not be too high. If not, it could possibly burn. I don't know, I've not seen mine burn, but people mentioned that their own has burned before, and it could possibly even go off. So I bought this LED light for 30,000 naira. Is it worth it? But on the internet, many people are calling this thing 70,000, 40,000, 50,000, and they're telling you it's cheap. You will not get it anywhere. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for staying tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, give me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for sharing all these tips I did. Yes, it's not easy. It's not easy. You know, this channel, I try my possible best to share my possible knowledge, every single thing I know about a particular thing, and how it's going to benefit you, the good side, the downside, and how I feel about it, and what you should take home. Would you like to still go for this, or do you want to go for the bigger one, or you have a bigger light, or just tell me what you guys are using to shoot your content. That will be all for this video. I don't know if there will be any other thing I'm missing out. I would like to maybe share in another video, but I never watched all these things complete. I watched like 10 videos on how to get all this information I'm sharing in one piece. So please do well to like, do well to share, do well to subscribe, and give me a thumbs up for the good work, the justice I've done about this.